Looking at Taiwan, you'll see that most of the island is actually covered in mountain ranges. One of these mountain ranges is well known for producing super high quality tea, as well as its iconic red train that winds its way throughout its forest. My friends and I stayed on a tea farm there for the weekend, where we spent our day out hiking and just enjoying nature, and then we'd head back at night to drink some of the locally grown tea and get a tour of the farm and see how they actually process the leaves. This was such a fun and peaceful weekend, and hopefully one day I can come back and explore more of these mountains. But for now, I have these memories of Alishan to look back on. There was no more seats, so now me and Howard are standing in the emergency exit stairwell.
We have to be good people.
We had well, there were seats, but we gave them up for Grandma 1 and Grandma 2.
I see a taxi over there. Want to take a taxi? That'd be the best idea. If we walked, we'd have to walk in this sliver.
I think we got it.
What?
I think we got it.
What the fuck? Watch out for the car behind you.
You're not gonna kill me. We'll be okay.
9 minutes. 9 minutes. Okay, there's more space. That's crazy. We made it. It's really nice. It's like a squat call at some random dude's restaurant. Oh my god. That's unexpected. Look at this dumbass. Look at this idiot. Look at this stupid ass. I like this. Brian at the bus. It's like all frozen. What the fuck? Third person, wait, bring it up a little bit. This is third person. Real hug. Aww.
So taking videos and running back and forth to grab my camera, my friend Ryan actually noticed that the train conductor was yelling at us to get on the train because apparently it was going to be the last one that would take people back to the park entrance. So we literally sprinted to get tickets and managed to hop on the train as it was leaving for the final time today. After getting back to the park entrance, we just barely made the final bus that would be going down the mountain for the day, and we ended up having to stand in the aisle the whole hour trip down. But it was actually kind of fun, and I'm glad we didn't have to spend a ton of money on a taxi going down. Some tea with the Airbnb hostess. Okay, so we're doing an impromptu tea house tour. The place that we're staying has a tea farm on top, tea farm processing upstairs. So that's what we're gonna be checking out. The tea leaves actually fall out of this hole in the ceiling where they're collected onto these trays and they are left out to start the drying process. Our hostess explained that the leaves are only harvested throughout the beginning of the year and once in the fall. And since we were visiting during September, we were actually lucky enough to be there the weekend that they were harvesting for the fall season. The next morning, we went onto the roof and saw even more tea leaves being laid out to dry. And looking around, we saw mountains covered in tea farms, just like this one.